Rack Room video. Today, I am joined here with Banana Lord
Yo, Timothy. Don't forget Timothy.
and Timothy. And we're gonna be playing the Crazed Man. So, yeah, let's go.
Timothy's not crazy.
What? Oh,
I want to play.
oh no! Wow, that's cool. Okay. 2002.
Yes.
I should
I'm
go
alive. Totally.
check.
My
My friend told me
do
to do it.
it. Chat, what'd the first part say? Chat, what'd the first part say?
Oh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portland Police
back.
Department. Residents of the city of
Okay.
Portland, Oregon, lock all of your doors immediately. An extremely dangerous individual was last seen roaming the city Portland, attacking and killing
Alright,
everyone
let me
in
lock
his
the
sight,
door.
abducting young children, and breaking into people's homes. As a precaution, all residents of the city of Portland are strongly advised to
in
remain indoors
Portland?
with all windows and doors locked. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately. If this individual breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary.
Hey,
Do not approach this individual, as he is considered extremely armed and
you didn't say
dangerous.
nothing.
To approach him,
hey, this
you
is
will
a
face certain
family-friendly
death.
channel.
Stay tuned for more information
8
on
o'clock.
this dangerous situation.
Huh, interesting. That was a good show.
I'm gonna go back to watching my show.
Yeah, me too. Do we lock the
Look at the
door?
view outside. Oh yeah. I'll lock this one. I want to lock this one.
Ah! Oh, what is that? Oh, a monkey!
Oh yeah, I totally
It's a
knew.
monkey!
Yo, bro, me and you waking up in the bed together.
Hey, what happens if I put my Minecraft bed next
It's
to yours?
2:30.
I heard a noise.
2:30 in the morning.
What was that?
No, are we gonna talk about this? What is this? This wasn't in my room. Who did this? I don't care what that noise was.
What was that noise?
I need to go too.
Ah! Go out the door! We gotta go! We gotta go!
I don't wanna. I'm gonna jump.
Ah! Jesus!
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey!
we gotta stop him.
Go,
Get
run
back
after
here.
him!
What the? What the heck?
He went over there! We're gonna get him!
Wait,
Run!
did you not see him crawl over the car?
I did!
What, did that animation take too much ink? Is that what happened?
Hello? Hello? Where are you?
Hey, I think he's over here.
Yo, wait. I need to go down.
He doesn't push. Haha, you're pushed. Look up.
Oh, so can you not tell me by my real name, please?
Lemon.
Yeah. I want people to know. Jeez, that got me again!
Dude, you keep on getting jump scared. That is so funny. Because I'm just watching you. I'm pushing you down. Bye-bye.
No, I'm
Bye-bye.
gonna go down the rope.
Nope, you're getting pushed down.
Yo!
Oh. So we're in the sewers?
I guess so.
You can leave because you're recording the video. Wait, how do we get outside again?
Run to the tunnel.
Run to the tunnel.
because we went through a sewer.
You're a sewer.
We have to go to the tunnel right over there. Be careful.
Wait, is he eating someone?
I don't know. We gotta get to the tunnel. Go, go, go. Alright, where are we? We need to go inside now. Why?
You should play more than just record horror. You should play like other things too.
I do some quests.
That's not good family.
Hold up.
What
Oh!
the?
Damn. Hey, what's this? You need to unscrew them in a certain order. Okay? We need to find... Shoot. Shoot. There he is. It's open. Pull it off. Ah! Oh no. Why is there a light over here? What's in here? Nothing? Oh, shoot. Yo, I know where that goes.
Where?
Here, come. Hurry,
I've had it for the past 20 minutes, man.
over here. In here. We need to screw them in a certain order. Try that one up there. Okay, that one's 1, 2. Oh, 3, 4. Okay. Whoa. Let's go. Oh.
Hey, careful, that could fall on you. Dude, why don't we stay in the vent? You can't get us in here.
Okay. Just keep going. Ah! Okay.
That jump scared me so hard. You can lead.
Alright, bet.
Buddy, I actually jumped for that.
Let's go. What?
Where'd you go?
I told you not to say my real name.
Lemon.
Okay. Let's follow it. Uh-oh. You can't go that way. You can't. Yo, bro, can I see that axe?
No, it's mine.
But we're gonna die.
Gotta go, man.
Move! You can't go that way! There's a collision. You can't go that way. Okay, now we're dead.
Run! Run!
No! We're gonna die! No! Oh! I didn't die. I didn't die. I didn't die. I did not die. I did not die. I did not die. Did not die. Yo. Oh, I got the eggs. Yeah. No.
Hey, Lemon.
Move!
No.
Then I'll just
You're
go in
gonna
here.
I want you to die.
Now just stay in here. You have fun. Wait for him to go by. Not sure where he is. Oh, there he is. Go, go, go. No one way. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Not sure where this man comes from. Ah! I know. It has to go over here. Move.
No.
Bo, move. Ruining the
No.
video.
I'm good.
Go.
She's behind you, by the way. I can't.
I don't care. Oh! The axe is up there.
Dude. Blue.
Whoa.
Hello?
I'm sorry about that, guys. Hopefully your ears didn't just burn. I'll make sure to put a volume warning at the beginning of that level. If you need help on this level, you need to put the different levers in order. Okay?
Who needs help on
Is this
an
the
easy
doors
level like that?
elevator?
You can go.
We're back here?
We pulled it in the wrong order, so it opened the elevator to the wrong floor.
Oh.
This way.
You can't pull that one, so you have to find the right order. So, like...
Okay, one.
Alright.
Don't pull that one. Don't put the. Pull that one over there. This one.
It doesn't let you pull it.
Pull that one.
It only lets you pull the one over here.
That one.
Hey, now wait. Before you pull that one, let's see if the elevator is open. No.
Pull it.
Yeah, it opened. Are we just gonna die again?
I don't know. Let's find out.
This doesn't look good. Oh, great. Dead again.
Yeah, it's the same.
Wait. What? Now we're back. I got a flashlight.
How'd you take that out of my hand? I had it.
Yo.
Go ahead. You have the flashlight, so I think you should lead.
No. This is a maze.
Boo.
Keep going. We're just back here. Can't go in there. Come on. Here.
get over there?
I went around. I found it.
Then
I
leave.
found the exit.
Go then.
You need to come with me.
Might leave you behind. Right now. Or maybe right now.
What?
How about now?
What?
Might leave you behind at any time, any place. Why not even tell you? Right now.
Bro, I don't know what you're saying. You say right now and then
Good.
there's nothing else. You know, why are you even saying that?
Right now.
Okay, whatever. I'm leaving you behind.
Right now. Blue.
Did we really just guess that? You could just guess
Well, you
the
can't press the other button.
This looks like we have to run again.
Go ahead. Maybe he's nice.
Mate. I don't know if I want to go over there now.
I no longer think he's gonna be so nice.
We have to go over there. Who were those
Who
people?
were those people? Was that last one even a person?
I know.
Yo, Lemon. What's that?
Open, 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 open.
You can open that.
No.
Yeah. Open it. Open it. I dare you. Bye. Did you go? Dude, how long is this game? I didn't know. Hey, bro. What's up?
Yo.
Give me tea. Dab me up.
Hurry. I thought I could gabble. What's in there? Nothing?
Venting?
Oh, look, a mask. Hint. Look
Venting
up.
from Among Us?
Okay. Look, hint. There's a hint. We have to look up. I see this thingy. Hold up. Huh.
Knocked over his favorite toy.
Got the
Wait.
key. The monster's gone.
I know, but he's not a monster. His name's Timothy. He has
I
feelings
got a
too.
key.
Open
Here.
the door.
Okay, so
I think we need an axe again.
exit.
Oh, hey there, man.
Yo, is this a boss? Ah! Whoa! What is this? Dynamite! Did we win? I pressed the dynamite.
I don't know.
Ah! How much are these? Oh, they're free? These are free.
Free what?
These things. They're free. Crazy, man. Get an old one. We got all of them.
Okay, this is
Alright, let's make the outro.
yeah. That was interesting.
Let's do it in front of the crazy man.
You gotta get with Timothy. You gotta get with Timothy. You have to get with Timothy.